It's not a real cake, but it sure looks like one. Hi guys, welcome back to Craft and Canvas. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful DIY cake box using recycled plastic container. Materials required are cardboard paper, scale, scissors, scoring tool, glue, double-sided tape, metal craft wire, and a round plastic container with a lid. Here are all the template cutouts along with their measurements. Please note these measurements are based on the plastic container I am using. If your container is a different size, simply adjust the measurements accordingly. Preparing the box. Start by removing any stickers or labels from the plastic container. Keep the lid attached to the box. Now apply double-sided tape around the edge of the lid. And carefully stick the cutout. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Next, cover the top of the lid with circular cutout using glue or double-sided tape. To create a chocolate layer, attach a thin brown strip around the edge of the lid. Attach the larger chocolate layer around the top edge of the container. Then stick the strawberry layer just below it. And just like that, the base of your cake box is ready. Let's decorate the cake. Take the arc-shaped decorative cutouts and place them around the edge of the lid. Make sure they overlap slightly onto the bottom part of the box, but don't let them stick to the base, otherwise the lid won't open properly. Now let's make the icing decorations. Score each icing cutout in the center, fold it and glue them together one by one. Each large icing decoration is made by joining 8 folded pieces together. Repeat the same process for the cherry. Cut a piece of metal wire to desired length, apply glue and insert the wire into the cherry. Now attach the cherry on top of the icing decoration. For the remaining small icing pieces, simply join 6 folded cutouts together to make one icing decoration. Finally, arrange and glue all the icing and cherry decorations onto the cake until you're happy with the design. And that's it. Your beautiful DIY cake box is now complete. It looks just like a real cake, but it's actually a reusable storage box made from recycled materials. You can use it as a gift box, party decoration, or even store chocolates, jewelry, or other small surprises. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craft and Canvas for more fun DIY craft ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.